Welcome to Hustle Tech University, School of Technology. In today's video, we're going to show you how to do a voiceover over video footage in the free video editing software called Shotcut. Let's go. First of all, let's get the legalities out of the way. Hustle Tech University is not affiliated or sponsored by Shotcut in any way, shape, or form at the time of this video publication. Hustle Tech University back at you with another one. My name is Jesus, CAIN, independent artist and creative designer. If you're looking for more software and tech tutorials, show us some love, like the video, make yourself at home, subscribe to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to do a voiceover over video footage in the free video editing software called Shotcut. All gas, no brakes, we going in.
Hustle Tech University's School of Technology, how to do a voiceover or how to add audio to video footage in Shotcut. First thing you have to do is to import your video footage. I have mine here in the player. You have to create a video track and drag your video clip into your video track. I already have it here. The next thing you want to do is to connect your audio device, which may be a webcam or the microphone that is in your computer. So we go to Open Other, Audio Video Device. I'm using the microphone that is on my webcam. It's pretty decent quality. There's no need to have the webcam on. We do have our microphone from our webcam recognized here. We want to press OK. The next thing you want to do is to go up here to export MP3 file, capture file. It's going to ask you to create a title for it. I think you can hear the reverb because my mic is very close to my speakers. Okay, so we're going to call it Shotcut, how to do a voiceover. We're going to say save. As soon as I press save, and capture, it's now capturing the audio from my microphone. So let's go ahead and do a let's go ahead and run the video, and we're going to add our footage to it. I want to start at the beginning. Here we go. We have our rice and peas, fried plantains, and our oxtails. Shout out to Uncle Daddy's Soul Food and Adult Beverages, my other channel on YouTube. Please subscribe. We have a lot of delicious recipes as well as cocktail recipes on that channel. We want to stop the video footage, stop capture. Audio from my microphone. So let's go ahead and do let's go ahead and run the video, and we're going to add our footage to it. I'm going to start at the beginning. Here we go. Rice and peas, fried plantains, and our oxtails. Shout out to Uncle Daddy's Soul Food and Adult Beverages. As soon as you press stop capture, it is going to put the footage over here where it's rendered. Now this is available as an audio clip. Let's take a listen. Audio from my microphone. So let's go ahead and do let's go ahead and run the video, and we're going to add our footage to it. I'm going to start at the beginning. Here we go. I'm going to stop it right there. It captured everything. So we're going to stop it right there and then drag the video footage, the audio file onto our audio track. I think I missed it, excuse me. There it is. And let's see if we have it lined up correctly. Okay, so it's a little off, so I'm gonna cut a little bit of this right here, and it should line up properly. Let's play the file again, straight from the beginning. We have our rice and peas, fried plantains, and our oxtails. Shout out to Uncle Daddy's Soul Food and Adult Beverages, my other channel on YouTube. Please subscribe. We have a lot of delicious recipes as well as cocktail recipes on that channel. We're going to stop it. And that is how you do a voiceover or add audio to video footage in Shotcut.
If you have any questions, any concerns or comments about this Shotcut process or any other Shotcut tutorial that we produce, please leave them in the comment section below. Are you looking for quality equipment for your YouTube channel? Use the link that we provide in the video description box below and we'll plug you in. It costs you absolutely nothing extra, and our channel may receive a tiny percentage of that transaction only if you make a purchase. We appreciate you in advance. I appreciate you hanging out with Hustle Tech University until the end of today's video. If you're looking for more software and tech tutorials and you haven't already done so, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, this is Hustle Tech University. My name is Jesus CAIN. Eat, grind, rewind. Until next video, deuces.